At 9 p.m. of the 10th of September 2021, an accident had occurred near the military hospital in Shillong, where an auto truck bearing registration number ML05Q6343 had collided with a night super coming from Guwahati and bearing registration number ML05T8381. During the mishap, the driver of the auto truck and a co-passenger who had to be pulled out of the vehicle with the help of the search and rescue team had sustained major injuries and had been taken to the hospital for emergency treatment. Until the filing of this report, details into the incident are awaited.